Now this is the third practical. Practical 1C. Design a web page demonstrating all styles sheet types. Different style sheets in HTML. Now we will see different styles. First I am opening VS Code, code editor and web programming. In web programming I am creating new file practical 1c.html and pasting the question in that file and commenting out it. Now adding one HTML boilerplate. In h1 tag I am pasting that question and starting the program in web browser. This is the question. Now we'll see different types of styles. First style is internal CSS. Internal CSS means now I am adding one HTML tag internal CSS and one paragraph. This is a internal CSS. Internal CSS means we have a style tag which is present inside the HTML page. For example, I am adding a style tag here. Now I can style the HTML form by this tag. Inside this style tag, whatever we type will be CSS. For example, for h1, I am setting the color as blue violet. Now I am seeing that it's changed. For every text one, it has colored blue violet. For paragraph, I am choosing color red and the paragraph has changed into red. For example, I am taking a long paragraph. Or see, this paragraph has become red in color. Now we will see next type of CSS, that is h1 inline CSS. Inline CSS. Inline CSS means a specific styling for specific tag. Like for this h1 I don't want that blue violet color, so I will type an attribute style and I will write the CSS in that colon, in that inverted commas. For example, I want color green. Now you can see that inline CSS is in green color and I am taking another paragraph. Example, this is a inline CSS example. This came in red but I want it in different color, so I will use inline CSS. Style color equal to blue. It changed into blue color. In inline CSS we can also use multiple CSS like color, background color. I am using background color as pink. You can see that the background color also change. You can add multiple attributes like font. Font I am using larger. You can see the sizes. I will give in pixels. 400 pixels. px. Font size large. You can see the size has changed, larger. You can see that difference. Now the third type is external CSS. h1 external CSS. You can see that external also come in blue violet. External CSS. In external CSS we have to create new different CSS file, separate CSS file, new style one.css. CSS file is created. Now we will uh, one heading, class heading, and the color should be color yellow, and background color should be teal. We have to use that class name here. Class, we have given the class name as heading. So heading, heading, heading. But this doesn't reflect here. First, after making an external CSS file, we must import it. Below the title tag, you have to type link. In third option, you can see link CSS. Press that. Then your this is the relationship is style sheet, and href means the location of the style sheet. You have to remove and type the style sheet name style1.css. Now you can see that the external CSS heading has become in yellow color and background in teal color. This is the three types of CSS: internal, external, and inline.